Today I'm making a rich and creamy Tuscan-style shrimp with garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, spinach, and Parmesan cheese. This recipe comes together fast and tastes like something from a restaurant. First, I'm going to start by heating a large skillet over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, and if you want even more flavor, add a tablespoon of olive oil. Now add in 1 pound or 450 grams of peeled and deveined shrimp. Cook the shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until they start turning pink. Don't fully cook them here, they'll finish in the sauce later. Remove the shrimp from the pan and set them aside. Now add the minced garlic and cook for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Next, stir in chopped sun-dried tomatoes. Let those saute for about a minute or 2. This step really builds the flavor of the sauce with a deep, savory sweetness. Pour in 1 cup or 240 milliliters of heavy cream and let it gently simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Keep the heat low enough so the cream doesn't boil too hard. Now, stir in the grated Parmesan cheese until it melts into the sauce and becomes smooth and creamy. Add fresh spinach and let that wilt right into the sauce. Return the shrimp to the skillet and simmer everything together for another minute or 2 until the shrimp are fully cooked. Now we want to check our sauce for seasoning. Finish with salt and pepper to taste. This creamy Tuscan shrimp is perfect served over pasta. And there you have it, creamy garlic shrimp with sun-dried tomatoes and spinach. Quick, easy, and packed with flavor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.